Hello class, I'm my name is Angelica Lugo and I will walk you through my PowerPoint presentation. This is my introductory video. My name is Angelica Lugo Lozano. I am from Mexico and more specifically from Monterrey, Nuevo León. It's about 3 hours away from the US border, so we're in the northern part of Mexico. We have been happily married. My husband and I have a lot of fun together. I appreciate him so much. And together, we have 3 teenagers. Emily is our oldest. She is 15. Alan is our middle child. He is 14. And Annette is our youngest. She is 12. Something interesting about me, I teach Zumba. I really enjoy it. The interesting part is that I have been doing it for free for about 5 years. It has been very satisfying and it's a fun way to exercise. What I hope to learn from this course is that I want to be able to identify the best way to include all of my students into my class, no matter what their background or learning purpose is. I want my class to be a safe place where diversity is welcome and even encouraged. I would like to feel that in my class we can all learn from each other. So some of the other things I like is chocolate. Actually, my favorite is Snickers, but I couldn't find any. I love watching movies with popcorn. I think that's the best part. I like to play board games with my family. We enjoy doing puzzles together. I like reading as well, although I have not been able to read just something that I enjoy. I'm kind of thrown stuff to read, but that's fine. Moving on to the Gregoric learning style delineator. My highest learning style was abstract random, which is quite a surprise because it says that they organize information through reflection and thrive in unstructured environments. I do not thrive in unstructured environments. I like orientation. I need guidance. You cannot just tell me, hey, for example, bring some potatoes. I need to know what kind of potatoes you want. I need to know how many, when do you need them by, what, I need details. Also, I need specifics. So I went with my next score, which was 44, concrete sequential. I think I identify myself a little better with this one because it says that we process information in an ordered, sequential, linear way. And I think that's me. I need step by step in order to learn something. I read and read the instructions once and twice and so I feel that's more me. So it was a bit of a surprise, and I could see how I identify myself with this one a little bit more. But hey, I am here to learn and find out more about myself, as I'm sure all of you are. And I'm here to help you in any way I can. And let's make the best of it. Thanks for watching.